social netizens, welcome back to my channel. Happy new month. My name is Christine. I am glad you're here. As the video title suggests, we are going, or rather I'm going to show you how to do a few stylish styles of wearing your scarf. And here we go. So I have this one that I bought at Gikomba, and by the way, if any of you wants a scarf or scarves, I am selling them at 150 bob per piece. So yeah, here we go. So you can use what do you call them, brooch, whatever. Yeah, you can use this one. This is my belt hook. Yeah, so you just put the two edges inside here. Am I making sense? Are we together? Yeah, like this, and just pull it up all the way. Okay, this thing is a little bit small, but this is what I came up with. So yeah, and don't mind my uneven skin here. It's as a result of the medicine, or rather the drugs I had bought over the counter the other day. So yeah, that's what you get for self-medicating. So yeah, this is just one way of doing it. The second one is what we call an infinity scarf. So you tie these two edges like this, make a knot, a double knot. So we have these, and you just what do we call this? You make it go over your head like this, and voila. How amazing. So the third one, you still have your scarf as what do you call it? Diagonal. Okay, whatever. You understand what I'm trying to say. So you fold it again like this, and you can fold it a second or a third time, and you just do it like you are tying a tie. How to tie a tie. So my two edges, this one goes down there. That sounded so naughty. You see what I did there, and then you bring your that other edge down here, you can see where my finger is, and then you bring it over, and then this end wow, comes here, and voila. So that's style number 3. So the third way of tying your scarf is having these knots over here and having a bow at the back. So let me show you how I did it. So have your scarf folded to the smallest piece you can, like that, and tie a knot. I hope it's as self-explanatory as possible. So that's our knot, and then you tie it around your neck. Like that. You can opt to leave it the edges, you can opt to leave the edges hanging like that. I don't know whether you can see properly, like that. Or you can opt to make a little bow. Like that. How cool is that? Actually, this can come in very handy if you don't have a necklace or a neck piece. This one can be worn in part of a necklace. The fifth one, or is it the sixth one? So you still have your scarf like that. I think I don't make the best teacher. So we are going to wear it the French way. I don't know how they managed to look so nice with their headscarf on. Although I've never tried this one. Unless it's raining or it's a bit cold, I would feel weird walking around with this style. you can also wear it like this. Just tie the knots at the back of your neck. And don your sunglasses again. Okay, I'm being silly. Yeah, those. Oh, this is we said this is number 6 and number 7. You see, that we have a knot at the back of our neck, so you take this one down like this, and have the same thing we had in number 1, and then you can bring it in the front like that. Okay, this one is not coming out nicely. Let's pull it like this. I should be having me a red lippy or a pink one. What do you think? And that marks the end of our scarf tying session. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Thanks for coming to my scarf tying talk, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you learned something from this video, or yeah, I hope you learned something. So don't forget to subscribe, to share, to comment, and to tell a friend to tell a friend. See you around.